Good morning YouTube. It's a lovely sunny Friday morning. It's the first weekend of May, which for me only means one thing. It's time to get on a bike, get over to Wales, because tomorrow I'll be taking part in the Welsh National Road Rally. I've been doing this now for 3 years. This being my third year, and yeah, looking forward to getting over there and putting some more miles on the bike. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheerio.
I'm on top of the world, eh? I'm on top of the world, eh? Waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, eh? But holding it ain't for a while, eh? Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child.
Hi guys, so I've made it to my meeting point where I'm going to be meeting Tom and Kerra, just off the M25, and then we're going to start heading towards Wales. I'm sorry if it's a little bit noisy. It's a lorry truck stop here and a cafe, so quite a lot of vehicle movement at the moment. I'll just let him go past. So yeah, so I thought I'd take this opportunity just to let you all know what is the Welsh National Road Rally. What is it about? It's been running for many years. I know people that have been doing it 15 years. I've only been doing it 3 years. This is my third year. And it is a checkpoint collection road rally. There's no racing. This is all done at the speed limits of the roads. And all it is you collect the amount of checkpoints needed to achieve the award that you want to achieve. There is four awards, starting from bronze and silver, gold and platinum, and there's the additional award which is known as the Dragon Award, and if you're doing the platinum then you have to do the Dragon Award as well, and the Dragon Award is an extra 4 checkpoints that you have to collect, and they're themed every year. They've got a theme for each checkpoint. To prove that you've been to a checkpoint, there's a couple of different checkpoints. There's an unmanned checkpoint where you will get a list at the start gate with questions, and for each checkpoint you have to go and you have to answer a question specific to that checkpoint to prove that you've been there. You have manned checkpoints, and there you'll get someone to stamp and sign your card so you know you've been there. And again, the Dragon Award checkpoints, again, they are unmanned, so you'll get questions on a sheet of paper which you will then answer depending on what the question is to prove you was there in the location. Once you've collected all these checkpoints, the amount that you need to get, you head back to the start finish point and sign in and hand over your card where they'll verify everything you've done, check the questions, and then you'll get your award that you've gone for. As I say, it's more a bit of fun. It's not a race. It's not a race. There's no extra points for getting back fastest or doing the least amount of miles or whatever, anything like that. You just create your route before you go out. 2 weeks beforehand, we get the regs. You create your route for the amount of checkpoints you need to collect for the award you want to go for, and then you get your award at the end, and that's a sense of achievement. Yeah, that's basically in a nutshell what it is. I recommend anyone who's interested to have a go, check out the website. The actual organisers of the event in Wales is a motorcycle club called CliveMCC, and you can find them on clivemcc.co.uk. Check them out, as I say, it's really, really worth doing. It's a great fun event, and let's hope that this sort of sunshine keeps with us even while we're in Wales. I'll check in with you again soon, but I thought you'd like to know what it's all about. I'll post details below, and we'll speak soon. Cheerio. Well, here we are for our lunch stop. About 180, 190 miles into the journey to our final destination, and we picked up another one person. We now have a Richard with us. He's now joined us. Get some lunch, cup of tea, and then we're hitting the road, making tracks and to our final destination, Welshpool, in about mid-Wales. So yeah, keep well, see you soon. hi there, YouTubers. That's it. We are now in Welshpool in Mid Wales. We have clocked up 280, 290 miles today. Stopped off in a nice little cafe down in Queenswood Country Park, where we met Richard Hawes, and then a nice little jaunt 50 miles ish from there up here to our hotel where we're staying in Royal Oak in Welshpool. So now we are all together. I have Kerra filming me, filming her. Quality. We have Kingy and special appearance from Mrs. G. So yeah, we're all here. We're gonna have a meal out tonight, a few drinks, and then it's an early start for the Welsh National Road Rally. Let's have it. Enjoying the sun. Have a good night. Cheerio.